Idahoans against immigration legislation proposed at the state level gathered at the Capitol Wednesday to voice their concerns. I'm your neighborhood reporter Brady Caskey, talking with activists about a bill that would give law enforcement the power to get involved in immigration enforcement.
El pueblo unido jamás será vencido.
Their rights are on the line and their lives are on the line, our feeling, right? There's uncertainty, there's fear, but there's also a lot of resilience.
Ruby Mendez with Poder of Idaho says proposed legislation making its way through the Statehouse targets immigrants in the community, many of which, she says, are crucial to Idaho's economy.
For long days in the fields to working in dairies, factories, and other essential industries, immigrants have been the backbone of Idaho's success.
She, along with dozens of other supporters, made their way to the Statehouse to protest anti-immigration legislation, like House Bill 11, which would have allowed law enforcement officers to request citizenship documentation of people they suspected to be in Idaho illegally.
The legislation, A, is misguided, B, doesn't solve a problem, and C, only perpetuates myths and problems that are going to lead to our communities being less safe, not more safe.
Immigration attorney Maria Andrade says legislation like this could make immigrant communities shy away from interacting with police, fearing criminal prosecution and potentially deportation.
You know, law enforcement and communities benefit from free flow of information. This bill will stop that flow of information, and as an immigration attorney, it may be my best advice and my obligation to tell my clients, don't talk to cops.
She says if the bill is passed into law, she plans to fight cases as an attorney and as an activist.
We're ready for fights. We'll do it, and we'll show up again. And this is just a preview, like to say that we're here and we'll be watching, and we'll be protecting our community the best we can the whole way along.
But also on Wednesday at the Statehouse, Republican lawmakers proposed House Bill 83, killing House Bill 11. The newly proposed bill would create a new crime known as illegal entry and give law enforcement officers the power to get involved in immigration enforcement. I reached out to both Republican representatives that proposed this bill. Representative Skog tells me it would only allow police officers to investigate the immigration status of people arrested or suspected of a separate crime. This newly revised bill is making its way through the Statehouse. We'll keep you updated on any developments. Reporting from the Statehouse, I'm Brady Caskey.